Well, I've spent so many nights out here with you that I don't want to go home. Well, I've spent so many days out here with you that I've soaked up all the sun. And if you just feel like I do, baby, then it's time for us to run. But if it's too much to handle, darling, then just go and have some fun. 'Cause I'm tired of always thinking I'm on track when I'm really, really lost. And I know that if you run with me tonight, it is worth all the cost.